Hi, I'm Nicole Wilson.
And I'm Elaine Kay. We are part of the LET Innovation Services Unit.
As instructional designers, we collaborate with, support, and guide faculty as they design, develop, and implement digital assignments and activities.
In our time with you today, we will share a couple of examples, talk about the purpose of digital assignments, and provide a few tips for implementing these assignments. Digital assignments can range from low-stakes assignments like integrating Pinterest as a research tool to more robust semester-long projects that could include creating websites or publishing digital stories. For our presentation, we decided to share a few assignments that were created and implemented here at JMU. Our first assignment comes from a nursing faculty member who teaches a course on chronic illnesses. She has a semester-long team project that included traditional research and writing assignments, which culminated in a traditional in-class presentation. She redesigned this as a digital assignment. The final product included a website which hosted a PSA video, infographic, and bibliography about each illness. Here you can see two screenshots from that website, one which shows the video students created and acted in about hypertension and stroke, as well as the infographic which the group designed. The purpose of this assignment was for students to learn about chronic illnesses, develop community proposals for interventions, and develop their 21st century skills. Our second example is a multimodal composition assignment from a history professor. The course was Urban History in Latin America and started with a very traditional historical research assignment. The redesign of this assignment required students to work in groups to explore and research cities in Latin America. Then, as a class, they developed a website to share their research about each city, including a section focusing on how to approach an urban planning problem. The teams and class worked together finding and sharing images and collaboratively writing for the site using Pinterest and Google Docs. Overall, this allowed the students to conduct in-depth scholarly research while publishing a multimodal artifact that shares the vibrancy of their cities. Both of these assignments are great examples because they show how varied digital assignments can be in scope, purpose, and artifacts.
As you saw in the examples Elaine shared, each assignment was clearly rooted in a variety of purposes. We used this tree to talk about how implementing a well-designed digital assignment can grow 21st century skills. Our role as educators is to help students develop these skills through experiences that include using a range of technologies and tools to create knowledge and share it. The roots are the purpose of the digital assignments. The technology should not be the foundation of your assignment design. The foundation or purpose for a digital assignment should be one or more of the roots: research, reflection, informational, presentational, content creation, original content creation, compilation. The trunk represents the student's experience of completing a digital assignment. In addition to your content objectives, the fruit, or 21st century skills, are grown and developed by completing the digital assignment. In our work with faculty, we discuss and focus on how to integrate learning objectives that map to and grow these 21st century skills. Finally, we also focus on creating effective formative and summative assessments for digital assignments.
Based on our research and the work we've done with faculty to design, implement, and evaluate digital assignments, we have developed some best practices. Here are a few tips to help you on your digital assignment journey.
Be flexible and open with you and your students.
Remember, it's not about the technology.
Assignment design is learner-centered.
First time, keep it simple and record your goals for the future.
Clearly identify and communicate the purpose of the assignment to your students.
Scaffold the assignment to include deliverables and feedback.
Allow time in class to work on the assignment. Hopefully, we've piqued your interest in digital assignments and growing 21st century skills. If you're interested in learning more about how to design and implement these assignments, we encourage you to apply for our immersive program, The Art of the Digital Assignment, or you can contact us.